In the heart of the Amazon, a humble Caiman named Kai lived, a creature of patience, wisdom, and resilience. One day, Kai found himself in a predicament, trapped in a hunter's snare. Days passed, and the Caiman, strong but weary, struggled to break free. His attempts were futile, and his energy began to wane. Yet, he refused to give up, for in his heart, he knew the river would carry his spirit to its end. A wise old owl perched on a nearby tree, observing Kai's plight. "Why fight so hard, my friend?" she asked. "The river will take you to your destiny." "I may not know my destiny, elder," Kai replied, "but I know that I am part of this river, and I must show respect to it by fighting to the end." The owl, moved by Kai's determination, shared a secret. "There is power in your struggle, young one. Your strength will be remembered, and your spirit will become a part of the river's own." With renewed vigor, Kai continued to struggle. His efforts were not in vain, for a passing tribe of indigenous people saw his battle and freed him. In gratitude, Kai taught the tribe the importance of resilience and respect for the river. His story was told and retold, and his spirit lived on in the waters, a symbol of strength and determination. The Caiman, once a symbol of struggle, became a symbol of hope, a testament to the power of perseverance. And so, the river carried his spirit to its end, not as a victim, but as a hero, reminding all who passed that even in the darkest of times, hope and resilience can lead to greatness.